Satisfied with the woman he love, and a real girl gon' be around. She embracing the thug. She a done go D to know how to treat her. I promise, cuz she'll treat you better than any family you ever loved. Sometimes I tease her, I let her please her, the serve squeeze her, swiping the visa, forget the price is cheaper to keep her off her feet when I sweep her. I'm so happy to see her, like I'm dying to meet her. It's an honor to freak her, and when we throw a party, she's supplying a reaper. Plus all her friends jealous, marry them Pam and Keisha, but she ain't tripping on them haters, they hoping to be her. Yo, I've been seeing them